just wanna fall on my team. She up the morning low, baby, she a fiend. This shit really ain't what it seems. Big wallet, big dough, what you need?
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be baking a cake, y'all. And smoke some weed, because, you know, why not? So we're gonna get into that in a second, but first we're gonna spark up our wood. I'm so excited, y'all. I can't wait to cook. Cheers, y'all.
Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter.
It's giving. So y'all, how y'all feel? Like, y'all enjoying the content? Because I was excited to do this. And what's your favorite kind of cake? And what kind of cake y'all think I'm gonna make? I built a tower out of cups, y'all, just to put my phone upright. But y'all, so basically I'm gonna make a lemon cake, y'all. So we got us some butter, we got us some icing, we got us some milk, and I'm gonna get some eggs, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I got my eggs and my oven already preheated to 350. And yeah, so we just gonna get our stuff. Oh, and I need a measuring cup, y'all, because, you know, first I'm gonna pour my mix into the bowl. There you go. There you go. Put the mix. Oh, it smells like lemons, y'all. I mean, duh. But it smells good. So mix into the bowl. Next, let's get one of these. Just for, you know. First, let's do our eggs. Okay. 3 eggs. Y'all see that? 1 cup of water, but you know we don't do water, we do milk, okay? So let's pour this to 1 cup. Wait, let me turn it around to the other side. Precision. Precision, y'all. Okay, put this away. Okay, we got our milk. Right, now let's get our butter. Oh, maybe okay, let me rinse this out. So it say 1/2 cup of oil. 1/2 cup right there. Right, 1 cup. Wait, there, right there. Okay, so it's not a lot. So, well, how much is, wait, oh, it's right there. 1 tablespoon. Wait. Okay. 8 tablespoons is 1/2 cup. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The whole stick of butter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Put the whole stick of butter in. Cause that's what it say. But is that right? I mean, that's what it say, y'all. So we're gonna do what it say. Do what the paper say. Boom. I did it. Or maybe y'all should be down some more. Cause y'all ain't seen none of that. Y'all ain't seen none. But it's okay, cause well, you can't even see me now. Put it on in the microwave for about a minute, I'm assuming. Let's hope it don't be popping and stuff and, you know, popping in the microwave. I put it on 2 minutes because that minute was almost up already and the butter ain't get nothing. I mean, maybe I could be mixing this, y'all. So let's start mixing. The butter probably been doing, y'all, because it's bubbled, but it's okay. It's okay. Put the butter in there. I need a fork because the clumps is clumpy. It smells so good, y'all. If only y'all can smell this. Since that's done, feel me? We don't need this. We don't need this. Got your pan, right? assume y'all got a pan. Get your non-stick spray, right? Make sure you get on the sides of the pan too. You don't want the bottom to be smooth and the sides to be stuck. You want to just hold on in there, y'all. You know how to make a cake? Why are y'all looking at me like y'all stupid? It smells so good. I want to taste it, but it got eggs in it. Don't do that, y'all, because you're going to get salmonella. You don't want salmonella. I could have did that way more satisfying. Y'all probably gonna be mad. It's okay. Now as that's done, just give it a little shimmy because you want it to be leveled. And there's that. You have a cake. Put your cake in the oven. And the box said 34 to 38 minutes. So I'm going to put 35. And I'm going to be checking on it here and there. And if it don't look done when it's done, then I'm keeping it for longer. Because you know, back yourself up. That's hot, little. Hey, being too curious. Finna sniff the soul. The oven. Hey, y'all, I made some shrimp alfredo the other day. Again. But I doubt y'all wanted to see that again. So I didn't record. Yeah, so speaking of that shrimp alfredo, we finna get some because I'm a little bit hungry. I ain't really eat for today. I had cereal, that's about it because I wasn't hungry. But now I am, so I'm gonna eat some shrimp alfredo. Then after that, we're gonna eat our cake. You feel me? And we're gonna smoke some little. Like, one thing about it, I like to cook. I don't know. Some people, or sometimes I don't feel like it, but most of the times I do. Like when I'm in my mood too. And I ain't gonna lie, when I was in the refrigerator getting the stuff for the cake, I was like seeing like taco stuff. And I might make tacos, y'all. Got my shrimp alfredo over there waiting. It's a little hot though, so might as well wait and smoke a little. Here's more anime recommendations nobody asked for because I just binged 2 series, or 3 of them I think. I watched Prison School, I watched High School of the Dead, and Dead Man Wonderland. They was all good. And they only 12 episodes each. All of them are 12 episodes, so it was easy for me to watch. Finna eat my, good old shrimp alfredo, made by me, yours truly. And yeah, the next clip y'all gonna see is us, icing the cake. So y'all, I just took my cake out. It looked like that, y'all. It's done. Yeah, I poked it with a knife, y'all. Ain't nothing get on it, so there's that. I ate my shrimp alfredo, and then yeah, waiting for it to cool off a little so I can ice it. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Got my cake, got my icing, y'all. Finna get a little where that little thing at that I had earlier. Oh, it's in the sink. Boom. Finna ice the cake. Take some scoops and just. Why it look like not like smear right? It look like nasty. Or it look like uneven. Alright, period. It's given. Is it? Or is it? Or I don't know. It was looking like it's given. I mean, should I use some more frosting? I mean, I don't know. I don't want it to be dry. Let me just use it. Taste lemony. Okay, boom. That's my cake. This my cake, y'all. It might look a little janky to y'all, but it's finna bust down. I'm already knowing. Okay? Shabooyah, shabooyah, shabooyah. Alright, y'all, I'm finna taste it a little. It's cake. Good. Now we out. Y'all, that cake was good, by the way. I mean, it's cake. Anyways, but if you liked the video, like it, subscribe, share it to your friends, because we lit over here. And yeah, I'm out.